the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. Growing up, I would spend every weekend at my grandma's. We would walk to the market, buy popcorn, and feed the geese right outside her apartment. One time, a goose actually ate popcorn right out of my hand, and then we never did that again. All throughout my childhood, her smile and her laughter has shown that her love was rare. Although you can't see her, you know she's smiling each time that she shows that she cares. Though her words were simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. She loved birds, specifically hummingbirds. When she passed away, my mom and I got all of her hummingbirds, magnets, wind chimes, and a snow globe. And I fell in love with the song in the snow globe, but I wouldn't recognize it until I was much older and started doing theater. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright. You look happy to meet me. Blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever. I really wish I could have known her now that I'm an adult, that I could have grown up with her and learned from her. We were so close then, I know we would be close now. A part of me feels guilty because the only things I remember are things a little kid would remember, like seeing Finding Nemo together or how much she hated SpongeBob. Even though she's gone, I know she's still with me. After all, every year I see hummingbirds on my birthday. Although you can't see her, you know she is smiling each time that she shows that she cares. Though her words were simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you.